everyone, it's Robin, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I made pineapple habanero chicken wings. They're easy to make and super delicious, and to go along with it, I made coconut rice. I'll show you how to make them. Rinse the rice thoroughly, then soak for an hour in water. Dice up half cup of a sweet onion. Then add the drained rice to a pan. Go to the stove and then heat up some water with coconut milk, sugar, salt, a little bit of cayenne pepper, and then add the onion. Now the onion is optional, but I love it. Get that really hot. Now what we're trying to do is to infuse every grain of rice with coconut. So the rice is already softened from soaking, and then we add that hot coconut milk and then bake for 40 minutes covered. Let's make a garnish. Take a tablespoon of shredded coconut and toast that for a couple minutes. Don't walk away, it goes real fast. Let the rice sit for 15 minutes and then fluff. Smells delicious, absolutely delicious with the topping. On to the chicken wings. 2 pounds of wings, garlic powder, cayenne powder, soy sauce, baking powder, lime juice, and a little bit of salt and pepper. Give that a good mix. You can bake that in the oven like I'm doing today. You can also air fry it. Instructions on my blog site where the recipe is. Flip the wings halfway through. Making the habanero sauce there, take 0 to 2 habaneros, half a green onion, pineapple, brown sugar, white wine vinegar, lime juice, garlic cloves, garlic powder, salt, avocado oil, tomato paste, and some soy sauce. Give that a good mix. My pineapple was extra potent because I roasted the pineapple for a previous recipe. So take some water and arrowroot powder, whisk that together, and then add the pineapple mixture. Heat that up to a simmer. And there's your sauce. Add about a 1/4 cup over the wings and toss. Serve the rest of the sauce on the side. It goes wonderful with the coconut rice. Also serve it with cold fresh cut veggies and cooling ranch dip for extra finger foods. Please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help.